Heaton Park is a beautiful and expansive municipal park in Manchester, covering over 600 acres. It's the largest park in Greater Manchester and one of the largest municipal parks in Europe. The park includes the grounds of Heaton Hall, a Grade 1 listed neoclassical 18th century country house. Heaton Park offers a variety of attractions and activities, including an 18-hole golf course, a boating lake, an animal farm, woodlands, ornamental gardens, an adventure playground, and even a volunteer-run tram system and museum. It's a fantastic place for outdoor activities, picnics, and enjoying nature. Manchester Memory Walk. Laughter and support at the Manchester Memory Walk. And when you cross the finish line, celebrate with your medal, knowing you have walked for a world where dementia no longer devastates lives. For more information or to sign up, contact Manchester Memory Walk. Alzheimer's Society, alzheimers.org.uk. Zip World Expedition. Nestled in the heart of Heaton Park, Treetop Trek Manchester is the place to be for a packed fun day out for the family in the Northwest. Forget you're in the city center and explore the treetops on a high ropes course full trek and mini trek, or leap along the huge bouncy nets, treetop nets, suspended in the woodland. These adventure activities are fun for all the family, with ages 3+ welcome. Heaton Park's formal gardens and orangery are utterly unique features of this historic park. The formal gardens are beautifully landscaped, offering a serene and picturesque environment for visitors to enjoy. The orangery, part of the Grade 1 listed Heaton Hall, was built around 1823. Recently, it has undergone refurbishment to become a high-quality dining and event space. It's wonderful to see such historic buildings being preserved and repurposed for future generations to enjoy. Heaton Hall is a Grade 1 listed building and is open to the public for tours and events on certain dates. Heaton Hall is a magnificent 18th century country house located in Heaton Park, Manchester. Designed by the renowned architect James Wyatt in 1772 for Sir Thomas Egerton, it is a prime example of neoclassical architecture. The Heaton Park Tramway is a heritage tramway located within Heaton Park, Manchester. It's operated by the Manchester Transport Museum Society, a registered charity. The tramway features historic tramcars and offers rides along a 0.52-mile route through the park. The tramway operates on Sunday afternoons from March to mid-November and on Saturday afternoons from May to mid-September. It's a delightful way to explore the park and experience a bit of Manchester's transport history.